If the break stop to the downside, great spot to get back in, because then it's probably going to make its way back up, because this is always with people. Fear and greed. See this right here? 4.82. So $4.82.
Yep.
This is going to be support. Now, does everybody see it? How it gave us this support?
Yep.
So now we need to watch this as the floor. It touched here, here, here. And even though it's not there, it is there. Just like right now, it is there. That is support. It doesn't have to be to the penny. And it did, but it is at support. See it?
Okay.
So yes, if you want to trade off support, you can. Just know that if it breaks down, you're coming back down to 461.
Right.
Now, here's the good thing. If it does do that, you already know what the damage control is, because you know if you buy 100 shares here and it goes to here, you already know what your loss could potentially be. So you get to monitor the size of the entry from that. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, but right here, yes, this is called waiting in the weeds. This is the weeds on support, right? So this is where, okay, so right here, this is what I would do. I'd enter. There it goes. And there's the pop. There's the money, right? But you can do a starter position. What I did was a starter position. Is it going to pop? It did. You can see I can add a little more, and you guys can see I'm in the green. There it goes. And there's another 10 bucks. And there it goes. But do you guys see how we got to do that? You got to see it real time, what it is, how, and look at what it did. Look at where it stopped. You see where each one of these bodies is? Now, guess what you just established immediately right here? This is resistance. See it? Now, if you guys ever listen to Jimmy's old training, he used to tell you guys he would make $200 every time it would do this, right? In the end. So 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. Look how many times it's done it. So again, if you guys are literally buying down here, it doesn't have to be on this, but it's got to be near it. And you can see every one of these is near it. See them? And here you go. This is what I was talking about. If you were in this one, what'll happen eventually is it'll go pop. And that is, so when Jimmy first started doing it, it was like 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 200, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 200. Right? Until it makes a new leg. And then if it breaks down here, you get out, you wait for it to establish the next run of wherever it's going to start to go, the channel. Then we start trading the channel again. Because look at this one. Here comes your pushback to new channel low. So right here, right? If this was regular market hour, you go, hey, here we go again. Buy, stop here. Buy, stop here. You see what I mean? Now, this one's a little more fearful only because it pushed right back down, but I don't care. If this was in the market hours, you could have a stop right here. Here we go. Watch. I'm going to buy in. There's my little sample. I'm going in smaller because if it does pull back, I can get out right away. I better actually have it set up so I don't look like a fool over here. Bought at the bottom of the channel, ride to the top. Buy at the bottom of the channel, ride to the top. Buy at the bottom of the channel, ride to the top. If it breaks through the channel, get out. See it breaking through, out. Wait for the next setup. Don't care if that costed me $3, right? Wait patiently, but you got to do this over and over and over. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's kind of sketch, but 6 times you got to do it, right?